What's up viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel Catch a Mile. This is Gautam. Guys, I'm super excited today. The time is 5:50. Just left I think 20 or 15 minutes back, and I think you can see the ETA is 9 hours 55 minutes and 3:45 p.m. and the destination kilometers to destination is 657 kilometers. This is gonna be my first ever long ride, just starting off small. So we are heading towards Kanyakumari. Yes, I'm so excited guys, and I'm planning for a 3-day ride, today, tomorrow and day after tomorrow. That's Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So today Kanyakumari, and day after tomorrow Dhanushkoti, Rameshwaram, and after that back to Bangalore. That's the original plan. Let's see, if possible then we'll visit signal. We have a green signal and they are coming. Yeah, so if possible we'll visit Pondicherry also, but I'm still not sure. Guys, can you see the fog? I hope it is recording and I hope the audio is fine. It is completely covered, not completely covered, but there is good amount of fog now. Time is just 6:20 a.m. And I definitely need to get a bigger windshield. There's so much wind buffeting, and this will continue for 9 more hours. It's gonna get tiring. If I had the bigger windshield, then all that sound wouldn't be there. So I definitely need to get one ASAP. Guys, I hope this is not disturbing the view of the road. I hope that's fine. The camera is here, so should be okay. In case it's disturbing the view, let me know in the comments below so that I can get it down a little bit more. For those of you who like solo rides, give this video a thumbs up. If you want to see more solo rides also, a thumbs up for this video would be superb. Guys, I just stopped here for a quick sunrise view. Look at the view guys. The sun is slowly rising up from there, and this is how the bike looks. So I mounted this here. This is my first time mounting luggage, so I don't know exactly which is the right way or which is the wrong way. So I've just put it somehow. So let's see how well it holds up, and we still have another 566 kilometers to go. Just enjoying this beautiful sunrise. Guys, we have crossed the 300 kilometer mark also. Another 355 kilometers to go. Look at this. So huge. The windmill blades. My god. First let's fuel up, have some breakfast, and then we'll leave. Full tank. We have another 320 kilometers. guys, there is small change in plans now. People are telling me to take the Rameshwaram route first. First visit Rameshwaram, Dhanushkoti, and then tomorrow we can go to Kanyakumari. So I'm going to be taking that route now. We have to change the destination. Nice breakfast done. I'll drink some water and we'll start heading towards Rameshwaram. Airport, Tirunelveli, Kanyakumari. So for Kanyakumari we have to go straight. Since we are going to Rameshwaram, we need to take a left turn here. Maybe tomorrow again we have to come back in this road and go. Yeah, Rameshwaram, Tiruchi, Chennai. Dhanushkodi, 185 kilometers, Dhanushkodi. But to Rameshwaram it is 169. And guys, in this vlog I'm not going to be showing you the exploring part of Rameshwaram. So once we reach the hotel, I'll end the vlog there. I'll show you the hotel room tour and I'll be ending the vlog there. Okay, there's some shelter here. It's a bus stop. So guys, just a quick break here. See here, my mom gave me Tirupati Ladu. This is my snack now. There's too much wind. I don't know if the GoPro will fall or not. Okay, we have another 50 kilometers, 49-50 kilometers. Jivan, the hotel name is Jivan Residency Rameshwaram. It's a 3-star hotel and the reviews are not bad on booking.com. We'll go there and book the hotel, guys. I still haven't booked it yet. We'll see. So I'll finish my snack here, take some rest. There's a small little lake behind. Look at that. Small little lake. And these are all practice rides for the next. Who knows, maybe a big ride might come soon. Guys, just when I wanted to record from this GoPro, the battery died. Look at the view here. Wow. I just took a small detour from the highway, but just look at the view, guys. Beautiful. Oh my god. This is Rameshwaram. And I think we have to go there. That is Dhanushkoti, I think. Not sure. We still have another 20 kilometers to go. I just stopped because I couldn't resist this view here. Wow, superb seashells. Whew. We just made it to the room. Got it in Jivan Hotel Rameshwaram. So a decent room, quite spacious. Let's see the view from here. Not much of a view, but there is an ocean right in front of the hotel. I'll show that to you once we get out from the hotel. So that's it, guys. If you've liked the video so far, please make sure to hit that subscribe button and also give this video a thumbs up. I'll see you guys in the next one. The next vlog will be a continuation from here. I'll freshen up and we'll go explore Rameshwaram a little bit. And yeah, do like and share the video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.